explain you difference between real images and virtual images. So first thing is that real images can be formed on the screen. It can be formed on the screen, and it cannot be formed on the screen. Okay. So just see this one. Here I am taking one mirror, and this one is the object. Just see this one. The rays goes in this direction, then come back to this position, and another one goes from here and come back to the same position, and here you will get the reflection of image. It is formed when rays of light after reflection actually meet at this point. Just see this one, this point. And the general rule of thumb to follow is, if the light rays actually pass through the image, then it is a real image. Then it is virtual images. Just see, have a look here. What happens? This one is a mirror. I am taking one mirror, and the rays goes in this direction. According to the law of reflection, it come back to the this one is the normal. This one I am making normal, and it come back to the same angle. Okay. Here I am taking one more ray, and that is again here, and it come back to this position. Okay, and this one is the normal. Okay, so what happens? When we meet them, they actually meet at. When we move backward, they meet at this point. So this is the initial one. Now from here also this is the same thing happens. This ray goes here and come back to this position. Then I am taking one more ray this way, and then come back to this position. And when they join, where they join? Just see this one. Where they will join? Here. These rays will join together, and here you will get the reflection of the image. So this is when the rays are actually they do not intersect, but when they are produced or extended backward, they intersect as shown in the figure. So according to this, it can be this image can be formed on the screen, and this cannot be formed on the screen. Cannot formed on screen. It cannot be formed on the screen. Second thing is that these are always inverted. These are always inverted, but these are always erect. These are always erect. And but laterally inverted. Laterally inverted means left becomes right, right becomes left. Okay. The next some example of the image seen on the screen of cinema halls, and the images formed on the retina of a human eye. These are some good examples of real images. And for the virtual images, the example is your image in a plane mirror. The light rays reflect away from the mirror and do not actually pass through your image. So these are the examples of real images and virtual images. Okay. Now, what are the uses of plane mirror? We can use plane mirror as a reflector, looking glass, illusion of depth, optical instrument, eye testing chart, solar cooker, kaleidoscope, and many more places we can use plane mirror. Okay. Thank you everyone. Thank you class.